about to go camping. We just lost our gas cap. We got out of the car and looked for it, but we couldn't find it. It's a pearl of self-service. Right? Right. Where are we?
We just left the town of Milton.
Which is about the size of Gregory Avenue. It's small. Battle Mountain. Ooh, it's video time. Still on our way to the place to camp. Now while I'm looking through this camera, I hope I don't step off the cliff. It's mighty high. Still never found our gas cap. There he is. I wonder how many people drive off these roads. There is the abandoned town of Gilder, an abandoned mining town. If I lived here, or even if I was staying nearby, I think I'd fool around and come and climb in and out of these people's abandoned houses. Ooh, a little creek. Way down yonder way. Railroad tracks. Ooh. Something all burnt up and black and incinerated looking. Can you see that? There it is. There. Nice bodywork.
Once again, another famous camping trip. Rick has gone off somewhere in search of some wood.
Hey everybody, this is Rick. Check it out. I'm here in the place where we camped yesterday and last night. And now we have to leave. Lest we want to pay another $6. We were over there someplace. But I think where I'm standing right now is a much nicer place. But it's not really a campground. So the ranger people probably wouldn't like you camping here. But the ground's actually nicer than where we were. And the whole reason why I'm really here doing this is because I found a cave. It's really cool. I was inside. Let's see if we can go in. You might not be able to see anything though. It goes back pretty far. It's cool. It's nice and dark and damp. You know, nice place for a vampire. Hello? Hello? Hey, yo! Nah, nobody's home. Let's go in. I'll get out my little pocket light that my mother put in my Christmas stocking 2 years ago, and the battery still works. And it's really good. It's like so cool. Look, it works so well. Ooh. And this is a cave. We are in a cave. But it's a small cave. But if I had to live in a cave, this is the cave I would want to live in. So there's a really small cave next door, and it goes back further, but I was already in there and I have to crawl and stuff, and I already got dirty, so I'll show you the cave. I don't know if I'm gonna go in with you though. Oh! What is that gross thing? Oh. I still don't know what it was. Some type of fungus thing. There's another one. Yeah. They're everywhere. But here's the other little cave. And this one goes back, and it's all wet and soggy. You have to crawl in and you get dirty, and it's gross, but I like it. But anyway, now I'm gonna show you the dead crow, or whatever it is. It's this dead bird. It's like the size of my dog. You know, my fat poodle. So, we'll trudge over here. Someplace up here. It'll only take a second. You got nothing better to look at, right? But dead birds. I was gonna take a picture, but I said, who wants a picture of a dead bird? It's much better on video, I think. Up, we're almost there. I recognize the dead tree near the dead bird. I think it's a symbolic thing. It must have some significance in my life, you know? There it is. The dead bird. The big dead bird. Ew, look at that sucker. Yuck. He's like a... Ugh. All right, we're out of here. Okay. Well, now we're just walking through this place. Ooh. There was like a huge spider thing. I don't know if I got it on here though. There's a screeching angry bird somewhere. I guess it's, I don't know, pissed off that I'm in the neighborhood. Oh, here comes the white trash. There goes the neighborhood. Oh, here we go. We're home. 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 We're through the camping. I want to get this part because now you can see me like trying to like hop across these rocks and stuff. And maybe I'll mess up. And you know, that would be interesting to have on tape. Oh, so far so good. Let's do it again. Look out, guys. Okay, pretty good. I'm on a roll. All right. We'll go the hard way. That's not really the hard way. But it's not as easy as that over there. That would have been too easy. That's pretty much about it. I can't video Terry now because he didn't bring his brush. Nor did I, but at least I have something to hide my hair under, and he doesn't, so I'm gonna have to turn you off now. Bye.